Okay, let's go again. 5 minute auto pairing. So I seem to be winning on a winning streak this part of the auto pairing until I start to get hammered, of course. So 2200 fisek. Plays Sicilian, I think. It's been you know, very popular recently. Oh no, really? Bishop b5. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, taking away the fun of the mainline Sicilians. I think that's an off-putting thing actually that happened. All these anti-Sicilians. But here I should be okay. Surely, it looks okay. Let's play knight c4, queen c7 here. Maybe it's too early in the morning for some people. I know knight d2 though is okay. h5, d5, d5 looks good. Takes, knight f5, knight e3. What about rook d8? Oh, c4. So d5 might be my chance now, but this knight f5 is pain. After takes, knight f5. Do it anyway. Might not play knight f5. What about actually just rook d8 anyway? So just allow the loss of the dark square bishop. Oh, okay. Oh, there was knight e4. I could have just won a key pawn with knight e4. Oh dear. Ah, that would have been a really good pawn to have won. Ah. Bishop e5 here, takes knight e5. How does the queen protect bishop? Can it? Bishop e5, h then takes. The knight is attacking the queen. I think bishop e5 might work. I'm hoping it works. So what have I just done? Oh, I'm asleep. Oh. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. It's crazy. This is just maybe now h3 takes an f3. No, I don't know what I'm doing. Honestly, I think it's too early in the morning. But queen b6 now, or knight e3. I don't know why he's letting me play like this either. It's all getting a bit confusing, this game. Maybe queen b6 first, and if h3 I can take, and then d3. I'll get my material back. Okay. Well, knight e3 first, then knight takes f1, then bishop e5. There's knight f2. Okay. So win the exchange as well. Was knight f2 winning the queen here? Well, that worked out okay. But it's too early in the morning. But no, it's quite funny, really. Total miscalculation there, that I thought I was winning a piece early, but then, you know, his f4 was... He says I'm lucky, but I don't know, he's blitzing out his moves so quickly. He's actually played a 45-minute game, blimey. 15-minute. His 5 minutes being up to 22.72. His blitz, blimey, his blitz is 2.533 and he's been up to 2.586. But that f4 was just a total blunder. I mean, let's have a look at this in slow motion, what happened. He plays f4 here. I've got knight takes e4. I don't need to move the knight. Knight takes e4, hitting the queen. So here, okay, I play knight e4, and all of a sudden I'm thinking that bishop e5 is a good move for some reason, for some crazy reason, when it's not. I'm thinking takes, queen moves, and I'm taking on e3. Of course the knight's been used to go back, so that's a total blunder. Bishop for 2 pawns, but now he returns the blunder here. I am threatening, well, this was a blunder maybe, or maybe the conception's good actually, because I'm hitting h2 and e3. So I'm wondering now about this position, if this is actually a very good idea by accident, this bishop e5. It's a kind of seesaw motion to go back to hit the bishop, and also h2, because if bishop f4 then e5, and if h3 then queen b6, and it takes and then d3 check, and if bishop f2 there's knight f2. So this does actually work, all this. I mean, it seems to. Strange. So he just collapsed here, because I'm gonna win the exchange first, then take on d4. But then he totally blundered and then knight f2. So that was a strange game. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. Comments or questions on YouTube? Sorry, there was another critical moment. Hang on a sec. The other critical moment is, he takes knight d5, knight f5, but in that position, so if knight takes e3, knight g7, but then knight takes f1, that's fine. Okay, thanks very much.